What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the new iPhone 11 Pro against the Asus Rog Phone 2. So we have the A13 Bionic versus the Snapdragon 855 Plus, 4GB of RAM versus 8. How will the new iPhone 11 Pro do against one of the most powerful Android phones? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the iPhone 11 Pro. It has a Super Retina OLED display. It's on the latest version of iOS 13. It has the new A13 Bionic CPU and in-house Apple GPU and 4GB of RAM. Then we have the Asus Rog Phone 2. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 9 Pie. It has the new Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU. This version is the Tencent model with 8GB of RAM. Just before running the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Rog Phone 2 wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Rog Phone 2 wins by 8 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Rog Phone 2 won by 1 point. However, in round 2, the Rog Phone 2 won by a massive 8 points, and that's obviously due to the double size of the RAM, 8GB versus 4. As for the price difference, the Rog Phone 2 can be had for less than half the price of the iPhone 11 Pro. Realistically, the Rog Phone 2 has a lot to offer: 120Hz display, double the storage, a massive 6000 mAh battery, and a much bigger display. However, where I think the iPhone 11 Pro will excel is the camera capability, and that will be coming up in a future video. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will be benchmarks and camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.